So another tip for generating more sales and leads for your courses is content marketing strategies. So you should have a strategy of what you're doing. You should make sure that all your pages are fully optimized and that you're checking and researching the keywords. Now, this might sound really daunting for people that are just coming into this, but really it's very, very easy. And here at Zenler, we actually have tutorials which teach you about the basics of SEO. And it's really, really simple, guys. The crux of it is you just want to make sure it's genuine copy, and you want to be trying to use words that you think people will use in search engines. That's the basis of it. Now, of course, you can use research tools to find out how many people are typing that into the search engine. But in essence, if you're creating genuine copy and that it is compelling, and remember within that first 2 to 3 seconds, that title should explain exactly what you're doing, then you're going to be on the right track for your SEO. And for your content and marketing, you should be putting some sort of strategy together so that you can form it. Of course, we've got all that stuff at Zenler in our tutorials, but this is just a quick tip from us at Zenler.